For years, software as a service, better known as SaaS, has been the backbone of modern business. Companies subscribe to tools for project management, accounting, marketing, and nearly every task imaginable. But in 2025, a new wave is emerging. Artificial intelligence is starting to replace traditional SaaS, and with it, entirely new business models are being born. If you thought SaaS was the final stage of software evolution, think again. AI is rewriting the rules. Let's start with why SaaS became so dominant in the first place. Instead of buying expensive software and installing it on individual computers, businesses could simply subscribe to a cloud-based service. This made tools like Salesforce, Slack, and HubSpot indispensable. They offered scalability, constant updates, and lower upfront costs. But there was one catch. These systems still relied heavily on humans to operate them. Teams had to input data, interpret analytics, and make decisions. And that's exactly where AI is stepping in. Artificial intelligence changes the game because it doesn't just provide tools, it provides outcomes. Instead of logging into a dashboard, analyzing numbers, and making strategic choices, AI systems can do the heavy lifting for you. Take marketing, for example. Traditional SaaS might show you data about customer behavior. An AI-powered tool, on the other hand, can analyze that data, predict which customers are most likely to convert, generate personalized campaigns, and even send the emails automatically. It moves from passive reporting to active decision-making. This shift is so powerful that many experts are calling it the end of traditional SaaS as we know it. Businesses don't want dashboards filled with endless metrics. They want results. They want sales, growth, and efficiency, and AI is uniquely positioned to deliver those outcomes directly. In many cases, companies are already replacing multiple SaaS subscriptions with a single AI platform that does it all. Consider customer support. In the past, a company might use a SaaS solution for ticket management and another for live chat. With AI, those systems merge into intelligent assistants that can understand natural language, resolve issues instantly, and escalate only when necessary. One AI system can replace several SaaS tools while improving customer satisfaction. The same is true in project management. Instead of relying on static tools where humans assign tasks and update progress, AI project managers can distribute work, set deadlines, and track progress in real time. They can even anticipate delays and suggest solutions before problems arise. It's no longer about software assisting humans. It's about software collaborating with humans to drive outcomes. This shift is giving rise to a new category often referred to as AI as a service, or AIaaS. Unlike traditional SaaS, which delivers software features, AIaaS delivers intelligence. Businesses don't just subscribe to a platform, they tap into decision-making power. This could mean an AI that manages advertising budgets, an AI that handles recruitment, or an AI that optimizes supply chains. The focus isn't on the tool itself, but on the results it generates. But what does this mean for startups and entrepreneurs? On one hand, the barrier to entry is lower than ever. In the past, building a SaaS company required significant technical expertise and infrastructure. Today, entrepreneurs can build businesses around AI models that are already available, customizing them for niche markets. For example, an AI trained to analyze medical images can be tailored for dental clinics, creating a specialized service without needing to reinvent the wheel. On the other hand, competition is fierce. As AI continues to evolve, the real value will come from domain expertise and creativity in applying AI to specific problems. Anyone can access AI models, but the winners will be those who know how to apply them in ways that create real impact for customers. Of course, this disruption doesn't come without challenges. Trust is a major issue. Businesses need to be confident that AI systems are reliable, unbiased, and secure. Traditional SaaS already raised concerns about data privacy, and AI takes it even further, since these systems don't just store information, they interpret it and act on it. Clear regulations, transparency, and accountability will be critical for widespread adoption. There's also the human factor. As AI automates more processes, some employees may feel threatened, worrying about job loss. But history shows that when technology advances, roles evolve rather than vanish completely. Just as SaaS created new job opportunities in cloud management and digital operations, AI will create roles in prompt engineering, AI strategy, and ethics oversight. Companies that embrace retraining and reskilling will thrive in this new landscape. So, is this truly the end of SaaS? Not entirely. Traditional SaaS won't disappear overnight, but it will evolve. Many SaaS providers are already integrating AI features into their platforms to stay competitive. Think of email marketing tools that now include AI subject line generators or CRM systems with predictive analytics built in. The future may not be SaaS versus AI, it may be SaaS powered by AI. The key difference is that customers will no longer be satisfied with tools that only present data. They'll expect intelligent systems that take action and drive measurable results. In other words, the value proposition is shifting from "we give you the tools" to "we deliver the outcomes." And that is a fundamental change. Looking ahead, we can expect new business models to emerge around this transformation. Subscription fees may be replaced by performance-based pricing, where companies pay AI providers based on results delivered. Imagine paying for an AI marketing tool not by monthly fee, but by the revenue it generates. This creates a direct link between the value businesses receive and what they pay for, aligning incentives like never before. In many ways, this mirrors the evolution of other industries. Just as streaming replaced CDs and ride-sharing apps replaced taxi dispatchers, AI is replacing the old SaaS model. It's faster, smarter, and more aligned with what businesses actually need. The companies that recognize this shift early will have a massive advantage in 2025 and beyond. The bottom line is clear. SaaS changed the world, but AI is taking it to the next level. The companies that adapt will thrive, and the ones that cling to outdated models risk being left behind. For entrepreneurs, innovators, and business leaders, now is the time to rethink what's possible, to experiment with AI-driven solutions, and to embrace a future where intelligence, not just software, is the product. If you want to stay on top of how AI is transforming industries and creating entirely new opportunities, make sure to subscribe to future AI news. We'll continue to explore the biggest trends shaping the future of business, technology, and society, so you'll always know what's coming before it arrives.